In this tutorial, we are building a journey to send message on Slack for new start emails in Gmail. So let's start. Select Gmail as a trigger. Choose Get Email as a trigger event. Select an existing connection and click on Link an Account. Select the label, in this case, Start. Now in steps, we'll send a message using Slack. For that, select Slack. Choose Send Message as Action. Select an existing connection and click on Link an Account. Next, select the channel name. Add message using Gmail app data. We are ready with our journey. Click on Save Changes and Start Journey. To check the output, let's go to Gmail, compose email, enter your message and click on Send. Mark the email as Start, then go to our journey to check the execution. Yes, it is executed successfully. Now go to Slack. We can see a new message has been received with start email information. In this way, we can create an automation journey to send message on Slack for new start emails in Gmail. I hope you like this video. To know more and get help in building automation journeys, visit quickwork.co.